Hi, this is Dr. Yoga Vidya from Ethnic Healthcare. In this segment, I am here to discuss about the infertility problem in men, azoospermia. So, what is azoospermia? That is, nil sperm count where there is no sperm at all is usually said as azoospermia. This is usually confirmed with a semen analysis report which is taken after 4 days of the previous ejaculation. So, it is not necessary that the person may not have semen at all, even though there is adequate amount of semen for about 2 ml to 5 ml. For some men, there is no sperm count in the semen, which is confirmed with azoospermia or nil sperm count or no sperm count at all. In this situation, most of the people tend to go for a donor sperm, and few of the people may reject or neglect to do the same, because while going for a donor sperm, the baby which they are getting out of the donor sperm may not look similar to them, and it may be looking different. So it is such that they feel it is not our own child. So in that case, the Siddha medicine can reverse the same and produce their own sperm for their natural consumption and their own baby and their characteristics. To know about the treatment in Siddha medicine, let's discuss about the reasons for azoospermia. So usually the testis is maintained -1 degree out of their body temperature. So that's why naturally the testis is outside their body. So in this case, once the men's body heat is keep on increasing because of their day-to-day lifestyle changes and food changes, the testis may be overheated and resulting in azoospermia. So in this case, the body heat should be maintained cool by taking regular oil bath weekly once with sesame oil or gingerly oil from head to toe, and the bath should be made out of lukewarm water or sometimes even the plain water instead of hot water, because exposing to hot water like sauna, steam or taking bath with hot shower may affect the testis and can result in azoospermia. The other thing for the men's, while using the denim jeans pants in normal humid places may affect the testis and result in azoospermia, as well as using laptops over the laps and keeping the mobile phones in their two packets the radiations can affect the testis and lower the sperm count, resulting in azoospermia. 90% of the men who have azoospermia have the history of working in night shift. Once working in night shift, the circadian rhythm, or otherwise known as the biological clock, will be altered, and to maintain the same, the body will produce some heat which may affect the testis, resulting in azoospermia. And few of them who in the adult stage may had mumps or smallpox or chicken pox, which is in turn due to excess body heat, can also affected their testis during that time, resulting in azoospermia, which is confirmed after marriage once they are facing infertility issues. So in such cases, the root cause should be found and the treatment is done accordingly. In Siddha system of medicine, we give herbal medicines to cleanse the GET tract, cleanse off the excess toxic gases inside, purify the blood and trap out the older circulating hormones by enhancing the liver function, making the body cool with some coolant herbs inside, as well as external application is given for the testis to maintain its temperature and to strengthen the 7 systems of the body known as Saram, Sennir, Oon, Koluppu, Elumbu, Moolai, Sukkilam, which is nothing but the chyme, blood, muscle, fat, bone, bone marrow and semen. This is how the one system is strengthened and the final end product is formed out of the bone marrow as a semen. So by strengthening these, one can achieve their normal sperm count in minimum 3 to 6 months of a herbal medicine treatment. While taking the treatment, we will also advise the other food items and the lifestyle changes which will be included inside the booklet. So few of the tips or the home remedies which you can follow for azoospermia is: number 1, to avoid night shift and opt for the day working shift. And secondly, they should avoid all the bitter foods like bitter gourd, neem, soya products, meal maker, etc. Because usually the bitter foods acts as a spermicide action and kill the sperm. We usually advise with proper food nutrients for azoospermia affected persons. In such case, one should include avocados, that is butterfruit, to their diet on the daily basis, drinking hot milk with honey mixed morning and night after food, as well as red banana to be included in their diet mainly at the night. And a few of the other non-veg products could be the oyster shellfish and the mutton soups, paneer, that is a milk paneer, cheese and all the milk products, which helps in increasing the testosterone naturally to produce a sperm count. As well as it is recommended to do squats or sometimes a super brain yoga, since because for men, once the thigh muscle is activated, the testosterone is boosted to produce a sperm count. And also we recommend oil bath on regular basis, weekly once with sesame oil from head to toe. Drinking enough water, keep yourself hydrated and have regular bowel movements could also reverse the azoospermia to produce the optimal and the needed count to be maintained as 80 to 120 millions with 30% motility and 12% morphology. So hope you have a clear idea what is azoospermia and the reasons for azoospermia, how can we reverse with the proper diet, lifestyle changes and the herbal medications. If you find this video useful, you can subscribe to our channel so that you will get the regular videos to your inbox. Thank you.